Hello everyone. Today we'll begin with our book that is Knowledge World of Class 3 by Seraphic Publications. Hello everyone. Let's begin with our new chapter that is chapter number 14 and its name is Planet Overview. Planet Overview. Nowadays general knowledge has started becoming really very interesting and especially science is my favorite subject. So what are we going to study about planets, and that is our solar system. Earlier also we studied basic science chapter, that is chapter number 13. It was also related to science. Again my favorite topic, science, and that too planets. So what we are going to study is we have to observe the pictures, we have to read the data in this, and then we have to fill the answer for the same. The sun and 8 planets comprise our solar system. As I told you earlier in the chapter 13 कि हमारे solar system में कितने planets हैं, we have actually 8 planets in our solar system, and along with that the sun, they all comprise together or they join together to form our solar system. All the planets are moving around the sun. What do the planets do? They all are actually revolving around the sun in a typical order in their particular orbits. Many planets have their own natural satellites. You know, they have something in common, that is they have their own natural satellites. What is the natural satellite of our Earth? It is the moon. We have one moon as our natural satellite. Recognize the pictures of the planets, read about them and name them using the help text. So the help text is also given over there. You have to see the answers. You can see the spellings from there and then mention it over in the blanks. Now let's begin with the first picture. What is the first picture? If you look carefully, you will see that it is almost red, yellowish and orange in color. It says Dash is the planet covered in rocky desert that are rich in iron oxide, and due to this presence of iron oxide, this planet is mostly reddish orange in color. That is why it is red in color. Now as the statement says, do you recognize anything which is red in color? Which planet is red in color or yellowish orange in color? And the answer for this is Mars. Then we have the second image. This is of a planet along with the rings around it. Dash has rings around it. The components of these rings include rock, ice, dust, etc. So what all things are forming the rings around this planet is these are ice, dust and rock pieces, etc. Recent research have shown that Uranus also possesses rings around it. There is another planet called as Uranus, and researchers have found that it also comprises of rings around it. Now what is this planet which has actually rings around it? And the answer for this is Saturn. Then we have the third planet. Now this is the huge planet, or you can say it is the biggest planet of our solar system. The largest planet Dash, the solar family, has 80 known moons. You know, this is a planet which has 80 moons of its own. Its mass is 2.5 times more than all other planets combined. It says that इसका जो मास है 2.5 टाइम्स बहुत ज़्यादा है all अगर planets को अगर हम combine करें तो. So what is this planet known as? This is actually Jupiter. Jupiter. So this planet is the largest planet of our solar system. Let's now move to the other pictures also. The next, that is the fourth picture, is of which planet? I hope you already have recognized this. This is a well-known planet of our solar system. That is our Earth. This is the only planet in the solar system which has water on it, and because of water life has been possible on this planet. The dash, that is our Earth, formed about 4.5 million years ago. So these many years before our Earth was formed. It was a mass of hot gases and molten stuff. Molten stuff means liquid stuff was all over there along with hot gases. Gradually it cooled down and suitable temperatures existed. और धीरे धीरे वो जो molten stuff था वो cool down हो गया और फिर suitable temperatures वहाँ पे हो गए, which supported life, which actually led to the rise of life on our Earth. Then we have the last picture, and this is the what? Let's see what it is. The pressure on dash is so high that the first spacecraft which tried to land on it was crushed before it could land. It spins backwards on its axis. Now, this is the only planet which actually spins backwards. Okay? And इसका प्रेशर इतना हाई है इस प्लैनेट का कि when we had sent our first spacecraft over there and it was not able to land over there. Why? Because it got crushed with the extreme pressure of this planet. And the name of this planet is, this is Venus. V-E-N-U-S, Venus. So this was all about the 5 pictures. We have named them. Let's now do the quick fact. The quick fact says that the solar system's largest planet, Jupiter, has a magnetic field 2.5 times stronger than any other planet in the solar system. Since Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system, hence it has a 2.5 times more magnetic field than the other planets of the solar system. Now there is another your answer please topic over here, and the question says, what is the name of Earth's natural satellite? And by chance I had already told you what is the name of our Earth's natural satellite. The answer for this question is Moon. So this was all about this chapter. I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.